Explore our selection of top-rated electric car jacks, meticulously designed to simplify your vehicle maintenance tasks. Whether you're performing a tire change or regular upkeep, these jacks offer effortless lifting with their powerful electric motors. We've curated a detailed list of the top 5 electric car jacks of 2024, featuring stylish designs and top-notch quality. You can conveniently acquire any of these jacks by clicking on the link provided in the video description below. So let's get started. Number 5. TaskStar Electric Car Jack Kit. The TaskStar Electric Car Jack Kit is a top-ranking electric car jack that is a must-have for vehicle maintenance. It is suitable for many vehicles, including MPVs, SUVs, pickups, cars, trucks, and sedans. This durable tool is made from high-quality materials such as ABS, alloy steel, aluminum, and stainless steel, weighing 17 pounds and offering a minimum height of 6.1 inches. Designed to simplify tire changing, this hydraulic jack has an impressive lifting capacity of up to 5 tons and a lifting height range of 6.1 to 17.7 inches. It is perfect for vehicles under 2 tons, such as cars, SUVs, MPVs, and trucks. This user-friendly kit includes a portable half-inch electric impact wrench with 2 sleeves for 4 screw sizes, providing a maximum tightening torque of 450 Nm. The electric jack has high-brightness LED lights and waterproof components, ensuring usability in all weather conditions. Safety comes first with our product, which includes a heavy-duty steel pressure rod for maximum strength, an enlarged aluminum plate that provides exceptional stability, and an automatic stop feature that kicks in when the height limit is reached for added safety. Number 4. EHELP Electric Car Jack. The EHELP electric car jack is a heavy-duty hydraulic tool that has been ranked as the 4th best electric car jack available. It is made from aluminum, stainless steel, and alloy steel, making it extremely robust and durable. With the ability to lift vehicles weighing up to 5 tons in under 2 minutes, this jack is a powerful and efficient tool for vehicle owners. It is compatible with a wide range of vehicles, including sedans, SUVs, MPVs, trucks, and pickups, making it an essential piece of equipment for any vehicle owner. Designed for universal application, it can be powered by either a 12V DC power socket or a car cigarette lighter, providing versatility and convenience. Its usage extends beyond cars, as it can also be utilized on motorcycles and other heavy items. The jack also includes a built-in tire inflator pump and tire pressure display, ensuring that you are never left stranded with a flat tire. Its practicality makes it suitable for various scenarios, including home garages, road trips, car repair shops, farms, and emergencies. Additionally, its waterproof connectors and dual LED lights make it dependable in various conditions, including rainy weather and nighttime use. Safety is paramount, as it boasts an overload protection system that halts operation if the maximum height or weight capacity is exceeded. The crossline top design is specifically engineered to increase friction, providing a secure grip for lifting heavy loads. This feature ensures that every operation is not only safe but also highly efficient. Number 3. ACT Duer Electric Car Jack Kit. The ACT Duer Electric Car Jack Kit is an outstanding choice for anyone in need of a reliable and portable electric car jack. Constructed with durable high-quality plastic and metal, this kit is built to last. Despite its sturdy construction, it weighs only 11.12 pounds and has a minimum height of 6.1 in, making it compact and easy to store. This electric car jack boasts a hydraulic 5-ton capacity, making it suitable for a wide range of vehicles. It is powered by a 12V power source and can be operated via a cigarette lighter or car battery, providing flexibility and convenience. One of the key highlights of this kit is its ability to automate the lifting process, reaching a maximum height of 21.7 in under 2 minutes, which significantly reduces the effort required compared to manual jacks. Additionally, the kit includes a built-in tire inflator pump with an LCD, allowing for the presetting of desired tire pressure and automatic shutoff when the set pressure is achieved. This feature makes roadside tire emergencies much more manageable. Furthermore, the kit comes with a powerful and ergonomically designed electric impact wrench with dual-size sleeves, making it suitable for various vehicles including sedans, SUVs, and trucks. This electric car jack kit is a versatile and indispensable tool for any vehicle owner. Number 2. Finasafii Hydraulic Electric Car Jack Kit. The Finasafii Hydraulic is a must-have for car and SUV owners. This high-quality electric car jack is crafted from durable ABS and alloy steel, making it reliable and long-lasting. Weighing 19 pounds, it is lightweight and portable. With a minimum height of 6.1 inches, it is suitable for various vehicles. One of its standout features is the cordless remote control, allowing for convenient operation without any wires. The kit includes an ergonomic electric impact wrench and 2 different size sleeves to accommodate a wide range of vehicles. It is recommended to fully charge the battery before the initial use. This electric car jack has the impressive capability to lift vehicles to 5 tons in just 2 minutes, thanks to its enclosed hydraulic tank that prevents oil leaks and allows operation at any angle. Safety is the foremost consideration, with a self-locking power structure that prevents slipping in case of power loss. The safety valve lowers the jack safely, and a bright LED light provides excellent visibility for nighttime repairs, ensuring safe usage regardless of the time of day. Number 1. Nutri 5-Ton Electric Car Jack Kit. The Nutri 5-Ton Electric Car Jack is a high-quality solution for vehicle maintenance, specifically engineered for cars, MPVs, and SUVs. Constructed from durable alloy steel, this electric car jack offers impressive features for efficient and dependable tire replacement. Capable of lifting to 5 tons and reaching a maximum height of 17.8 inches in under 2 minutes. This jack is equipped with an LCD for real-time tire pressure readings and a built-in 150 psi inflation pump for rapid tire inflation. The kit includes a robust impact wrench with 2 interchangeable high-hardness chromium vanadium steel sleeves, providing a powerful 420 Nm torque for quick tire changes. This electric car jack is versatile, offering 2 power supply options via the car's cigarette lighter or directly from the battery, making it suitable for various vehicle types, including sedans, SUVs, MPVs, and trucks. The equipment incorporates safety and convenience as its primary features. It includes an intelligent automatic protection device designed to prevent hydraulic pressure drops in the event of power outages, ensuring continuous operation. Additionally, it offers a manual depressurization option, giving users further control over the equipment's operations. Here are the top electric car jacks on the market. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, suggestions for future reviews, or just want to chat, feel free to leave a comment below. We appreciate your input and love engaging with our viewers. If you haven't already, consider subscribing to join our tech community. We have some fantastic content lined up for you. Until next time, take care, and catch you in the next video. Peace out.